Hi guys, good morning everyone. Hello all. Am I audible? Is my voice reaching to everyone? Can I get the responses please? Okay, thank you. Thank you Santosh, Sri Hari, Kirti. All right, so let me share my screen here. Okay, all right. Good morning Ramesh. All right. So see guys here, today we are going to see about the storage services. Okay, storage account or storage services that we will discuss today. Okay. So, what is storage account? What is Azure storage services? See, Azure Storage is Microsoft Cloud Storage solution for modern data storage scenarios. What I'm saying here, Azure Storage is a Microsoft Cloud Storage solutions. It's one of the cloud storage solutions for modern data storage scenarios. For modern data storage scenarios. So see here, the storage account that what Azure is offering us. Okay, the storage account that what Azure is offering us. Okay, the storage account that what Azure is offering us. Okay, it can accept any type of data. Is that it can accept. Okay, it can accept. Okay, it can keep. Okay, it can accept. It can keep any type of data to storage account. The Azure storage account that what Azure is offering us is that it can accept any type of data. It can keep any type of data. Okay. Any type of data, any type of data is welcome. Okay. Or uploaded or kept in Azure storage account or Azure storage services. Okay. So there are basically, okay, three types of storage accounts that we can create in Azure Cloud Computing. Guys, please understand. Okay, it's very important. Okay, basically, there are three types of storage accounts that we can create in Azure Cloud Computing. What are the three types of storage account we can create? First, we can create a blob storage account, blob or standard storage account. Second, we can create premium storage account. Third, we can create a which one? Data lake. Azure data lake into storage account. These three types of storage accounts we can create in Azure Cloud Computing. Okay. These three types of storage accounts that we can create in Azure Cloud Computing. Okay. Okay. Thank you, Shalini. Happy Republic Day to all. Fine. So what is blob storage account or standard storage account, what is premium storage account, and what is Azure Data Lake Gen 2 storage account. Okay. And this storage account, blob standard storage account, will accept any type of data. We can keep any type of data. Okay. And whatever the data, suppose for an example, I'm having the data like videos that can be uploaded in the Azure storage account, web series we can upload in Azure storage account. Next, we are having VM disks, okay, databases, okay, Excel files, CSV files, text files, JSON files, bank records, bank transactions, medical records, okay, uh, images, reels, video, what we can say, YouTube shorts, okay, posts, PDFs, okay, news channel, news channels, debates, prime time shows, okay, etc., etc. Every single data, whichever it is, we can upload inside this storage accounts. That's why I'm saying here, it will accept any type of data. It will accept any type of data. Okay, the data is okay in whichever extension the data is, okay, in whichever type the data is, okay, whatever the size of the data, okay, everything you can upload inside the Azure storage accounts. Inside the, leave about the practicals. Practicals will see, of course. Okay. JSON is also one type of file extension. Okay. How we are having text file, CSV file, Excel file, PDF file. Like this, JSON is also one of the file extension. I'll show these practicals also, everything. Okay, fine. So any type of data will get accepted inside our storage accounts. Inside our storage accounts. Okay. Now, what I'm trying to say here, whatever the data is, okay, that data we can upload inside the storage accounts. And the beauty of Azure storage accounts is, okay, the beauty of Azure storage accounts is, okay, as you keep on uploading the files, okay, it will keep on increasing the capacity of your storage account automatically. Automatically, it will keep on increasing the capacity of our storage account. What does it means? What does this means? It means that, okay, suppose you have uploaded 10 GB of data, the storage account capacity is 10 GB. You have uploaded 20 GB, it will automatically increase and comes to 20 GB. If you have increased 200 GB of data, it will increase the storage account capacity to 200 GB. So automatically it will increase the capacity of the storage account. Today we are discussing all theoretical points about the storage accounts and storage services, guys. Auto scale. Yes. You can call it as, you can say it as auto scale. Fine. So today we are discussing the complete theoretical information about the storage accounts or storage services. That's why what I'm saying here, see, if you see in the material, what I'm saying here, Azure Storage is Microsoft cloud storage solution for modern data storage scenarios. Modern data storage scenarios means whatever the modern data means what? Today's data. Whatever the data, modern data means today's data. Like, today what we are having data, social media platforms. Okay, we are having data, reels, YouTube shorts, posts, likes, comments, and then from smartphones we are having selfies. Okay, TikTok. Okay, and we are having data in the form of documents, variety of different types of documents. So all that we can store inside the storage account and storage services. Okay, Azure storage account contains all our storage data objects. Azure storage account contains all our storage data objects like blobs, file, queues, and table storage accounts that provides a unique namespace for our storage data. Okay, that is accessible from anywhere in the world over HTTP and HTTPS. Okay, so once you upload your data inside the storage account, once you upload your data inside the, see, practical we'll discuss. We'll see practical, fully practical we'll see. First, I'm just discussing the theoretical part, guys. Today we are discussing the theoretical part. First, we'll discuss the theoretical part, then we'll go for the practicals. Okay. So what I'm trying to say, whatever data that you are uploading inside the storage account that can be accessed, that can be accessible from anywhere in the world over HTTP and HTTPS. So if you have uploaded the data inside the storage account, okay, if you have uploaded the data inside the storage account, then that data can be accessed, okay, all across the globe. So your clients, okay, are in Canada, they can access. They can access. Okay. Your clients are in US, they can access. Okay. Your clients are in Australia, they can access. Your clients are in Europe, they can access. And you are working from where? You are working from India. You are working from India, but you are ensuring that whatever the data is there in the cloud, that data can be accessed all across the globe. That is what I have written here, all across the globe. Anywhere from the world, they can access the data. How we can do that? How we can do that? That I am going to show in the practicals. That I am going to show in the practicals. How we are going to do that? That we are going to see in the labs. Okay. So the beauty of storage accounts is that these storage accounts, okay, will accept firstly any type of data, any kind of data, any size of data. Okay. I'll show that, and you can make it accessible all across the globe also. You can hide, you can access, you can provide security. When you are providing security, till what level of security you want to provide. Okay. So suppose for an example, there is one team sitting in Australia. You want to ensure that team should access your data only to reader level. They cannot do edit, they cannot do delete and all. For Australian team, that you can do. The team sitting in US, you want to give them complete access. They can read, they can list, they can edit, they can delete, they can modify, they can concatenate. Then how you can do? For Canadian team, you want to just give the reader access plus okay, list access. How you can do that? All this we are going to see in the labs. All this we are going to see in the labs. Okay, guys, is that clear? So when it comes to here, blob storage account or standard storage account. Okay, this storage account is having, okay, broadly, this storage account is offering four different types of storage services. Broadly, this storage account means SA. In short, I'm running it as what? SA, storage account. Okay, storage account. Okay, so broadly, this standard storage account. Okay, broadly, this standard storage account, okay, is offering us four different types of storage services. Is offering us four different types of storage services. What are the four different types of storage services it is offering us? Firstly, block or container storage service. Second, file share storage service. Third, okay, third is what? Queue storage service. Fourth, table storage service. Okay, so see, please understand, we are having three types of storage accounts. What is that? Blob storage account or standard storage account. Some people will call it as blob storage account. Some people will call it as standard storage account. It's one of the same thing. Don't be confused. Then next storage account, we are having premium storage account. Then next we are having Azure Data Lake Gen 2 storage account. And this standard storage account is again offering four different types of storage services. What is that? Blob or container storage service. Some people will call it as blob storage service. Some people will call it as container storage service. This is one of the same thing. Next, file share storage service. Okay. Next, queue storage service. Then table storage service. Okay. Fine. So broadly, four different types of storage services this standard storage account is offering us. And now this blob or container storage service, okay, again it is offering us three different types of storage services. This blob or container storage service, again it is offering us three different types of storage service. What is that? That is page blob, append blob, and block blob. Page blob, append blob, and block blob. Who is offering these storage services again? This storage services is again offered by this blob or container storage service. Blob and container storage service is part of our standard storage account. Standard storage account is part of our Azure storage account. Azure storage account. Okay, guys, is that clear? Getting or not? Yes or no? All good. Up to here clear. Up to here it is clear. Everyone. Any questions up to here? Any doubts? Okay. All right. Okay. Thank you. How many of you guys have joined today for the first time? Can you please raise your hand? How many people joined for the first time today? How many of you have joined for the first time today? Only one student has joined today for the first time. That's it. Remaining all are joining on from the beginning. Okay, great. Fine. So now I can see that the batch is getting stable. Okay. All right, fine. So these are the different storage services that what is being offered and the storage account offerings that is being given to us inside the storage accounts. Okay. Fine. So what we'll do now? No, we are not going to see today. Okay, practical, we'll start it in next class. Practicals we are going to see in the next class. Because first I'll give you the complete theoretical information, then I'll go for the practicals. Every concept, mostly we are going like that only. Okay, first I'll make you understand what is this concept, why it is for, what is the purpose and all. Then we'll go for the practicals. Then only we can learn the guys. Correct? Fine. So now what Azure says, okay, listen now, carefully listen. What Azure says is you get any type of data. Okay, you get any type of data and load in my storage account. Load in my storage accounts. But depends upon the data category and extension. Category and extension, my storage offerings are suitable. What I'm saying here, it will accept any type of data, any extension, whatever it is. Extension means .csv file, one extension, .excel file, one extension, .pdf, one type of extension. Like this, any type of data and load it in the storage account. But depends upon the data category and extension, my storage offerings is suitable. So what I'm trying to say, suppose if you want to upload videos, if you want to upload VM disks, if you want to upload large size TB files, then this page blob is suitable. Then this page blob is suitable. If you are trying to upload VM disks here in blob, VM disk here, then it will not accept. Then it will not accept. So what I'm trying to say, depends upon your data. Okay, VM disks, this complete VM disk. See here, this is called VM disk, right? E drive, F drive, G drive, D drive. This is VM disk. Okay, this disk is having, see, lot of data. If I go here, this disk is having lot of data. See how many folders are there. In these folders, we are having multiple files, txt file, okay, and Excel file. This is image, okay. All this is, having lot of, see, this is videos, okay, something like this. So all this, okay, we are having variety of different files and data. So if you want to upload, see, PDF files, everything you are having here. See, this is images. JPEG means image. This is VM disk. See, hard disk. I'll show practically everything. This is PDF file. So all these things, I can upload it. I can upload it. Okay. Or else directly even I can upload this disk itself only. This complete disk itself only I can upload. Okay. So that is what I am saying here. Depends upon the data, the category is suitable. So page blob category is suitable for uploading videos, VM disk, large size database files, etc., etc. Okay, fine. And this append blob, okay, this is suitable. This storage service is suitable for, okay, keeping the Azure resources logs. Okay, Azure resources logs means what? Suppose you have created a storage account. Okay, created a storage account, and the storage account you have created 3 years back, 2 years back. Now you want to know in last 2 years how many people have got the access to the storage account. What is the storage account size increased gradually after 3 months, every 3 months, every 6 months, like this. And you can also say that storage account is being accessed for different storage content inside it, how frequently. Like this kind of details, we call it as what? Logs. Logs. So that kind of logs we can store here inside the append block. And these logs also we are storing in the form of files only. In the form of files only. Okay. And what is this one now? Block blob. Block blob is suitable for normal files like PDFs, Excel, CSV. Okay. And what it is? PDF, CSV, Excel, TXT documents, TXT file, Word files. Okay. Small reels, small size reels, YouTube shorts, small size, 1 minute. We are getting these days reels, right? In Instagram, we are having reels, 45 seconds reel, 1 minute reel. So that kind of small data that you can upload inside the blob. If you are trying to upload VM disks in blob category, it will get failed. Okay. And here in PDFs, Excels and all, here you can upload normal data. Like, Excel, you are having some 5,000 records. CSV, you are having some, 10,000 records or 1,000 records. TXT file. This complete notepad is what? TXT file. This complete notepad is what? TXT file. Like this kind of data also you can upload inside the storage account, etc., etc. So depends upon the data, the category is allotted. Depends upon the data, the category is allotted. Okay, correct na? Yes or no, guys? Suppose for an example, you go to a hotel. Okay, you are in a vacation, you go to Goa, you are staying in a very big hotel. You are staying in a very big hotel. Now, what is happening there? For laundry, there is a separate department. For what we can say, room service, cleaning, there is a separate department, separate people. And for dinner, breakfast, lunch, for food, there is a separate department. Likewise, here also, Microsoft has categorized the storage services accordingly as per the data that you can upload. Then it will accept. Then it will accept. If you are saying that, you have told that any type of data is accepted, now I'll upload the VM disk here, then it will not accept. There is a pattern, there is a procedure that we have to follow. Correct na? See, if you are riding a bike on the road, then traffic rules you have to follow. Everyone has to follow traffic rules. Then only everyone can reach conveniently. In VM disks, you can keep these files. There will be PDFs, Excel, CSV. Yeah, exactly. If you see here, this is the best example. This is my VM disk. So complete disk, if you want to upload, you can upload in the page blob. But if you want to upload individual files like pics, Excels and all, then you have to upload here in the blob. Okay. Now file share storage service, what is this one? Here, this is suitable to upload the raw files. In file share storage services, we can upload the raw files, or even we can upload here these files also. This all we can put it here in the file share storage services. File share storage services will accept this also. Blob will accept this as well. But what is happening here? This is container storage service. This is file share storage service. That's the difference. That is the difference. And here, when you upload the files inside this file share storage service, then this file share storage service can be hosted on top of a cloud server. Then that is called as file share storage server, file share server, and that will act like a shared disk drive. Have you guys heard about shared disk drive? What is shared disk drive? Have you guys heard about? Shared disk drive is the one wherein, in your team, in your project, there are multiple teams working, like, in US one team, in Europe one team, in India one team. Once you host this file share storage service on top of any server, then that file share storage service will be accessible to all the teams. Yes, network drive shared across all the users, okay, in our project network, in our project network. So that is the biggest difference between this container blob storage service and file share storage service. File share storage service can be hosted on top of a server. Okay, fine. Next, queue storage service. Okay, here we can save, here we can keep one-liners, one-liners, just one-liners. If you have noticed that, if you downloaded Swiggy, Zomato mobile apps in your mobile, what Swiggy will do, Swiggy will give you promotional messages. What promotional messages you will get from Swiggy? Notifications you will get. Kind of notifications. What is the notification Swiggy is giving, The notifications you will get something like this from Swiggy, Zomato, Flipkart, Amazon. What they will give? Okay. Sony smart TVs. Okay. So Sony smart TVs are now up to 40% off on Republic Day occasion. This is just one-liner information. Have you guys heard? Have you guys experienced this in your mobile apps? You will get the notifications in your mobile apps. And what Swiggy will do? Swiggy will send one message to you like this. This is Sony sending the message. Sony TVs. And Swiggy will send one message like this. What the Swiggy will message? Swiggy will send what is that, just a tempting messages. Swiggy will send. Okay. This is Swiggy. What Swiggy is saying? Okay. What is the plan? Okay. For Republic Day special. Okay. Let's try biryani. Biryani from, okay, Gulzar restaurant. Something name I'm giving. Gulzar restaurant. Okay. Like this. Or they will say, Gulzar restaurant is offering special dish on the occasion of Republic Day, which is 20% off. Like this kind of promotional messages they will give. I believe you will get many times, guys. Every business is sending this. Every business is giving these messages. Yeah, these messages will get pop-up, Santosh. On your mobile app, these messages will get pop-up. So this is just one-liner information only. This is just a one-liner information only. This kind of, okay, this kind of data, we can keep it inside the queue storage services. Just one-liner information. Sometimes Swiggy will send the notifications. ఈ రోజు సండే ఓకే అక్కడ వడ చాలా బాగా చాలా బాగా ఉంది అండ్ లెట్స్ హ్యావ్ ఇట్ సంథింగ్ ఇన్ తెలుగు దే విల్ సెండ్ సో ద ఇంగ్లీష్ ఈస్ రిటర్న్ ఇన్ Telugu is written in English, sorry. Telugu is written in English, like how we'll do the Hindi chatting in WhatsApp, something like that. Promotional messages. These are all promotional messages that you will get it across. And these one-liners are saved inside the queue storage services. Okay, next, table storage services is very simple. Table storage services is what here? Here we can store the data in the form of rows and columns. That's it. Whenever you want to data in the form of rows and columns, yeah, Excel is the perfect example. Then you can take the storage services, table storage services. Whenever you want to keep the data which is just one liner, then you can keep it here inside the queue storage services. Whenever you want to store the raw data, raw files, okay, or PDF Excel files, and you are planning to keep that available as a shared disk drive to everyone, then we can keep it in the file share storage service. Okay, here the files, Excel files, TXT files that you are uploading inside the container of storage service, then this can be accessible via HTTP and HTTPS. When you are uploading this PDF Excel files in file share storage services, then this is accessible via shared disk drive, as a shared disk drive. Please understand, guys, these lectures are very important. We started the subject now, the actual subject we started now. Please be refer the video recordings plenty of times. Refer the video recordings as much as possible. Listen to the video recordings multiple times. Okay, yeah, you are correct. Janaranjan. All right. This is what about the standard storage account. Now, in premium storage account, what is happening here? Premium storage account, when we are creating a premium storage account, here it will ask you, in premium storage account, it will ask you what storage services you want. You want this storage service, you want this storage service, what storage service you want, or you want this storage service. Okay. When we create a premium storage account, among this all storage services, it will ask you to pick which you want. Accordingly, premium storage account will give you that one storage service only. See, standard storage account will give you all the storage services. Standard storage account is giving you all the storage services. This one, this one, this one, this one, this one. Okay. This. In standard storage account, you will get all the storage services by default. In premium storage account, when you are creating premium storage account, it will ask you, see, I'll just show it in the portal here. Let me go to portal.azure.com. Okay. If you go here for see storage accounts, this is storage accounts. If you click on create here, see, you're having, see, standard and premium. Standard and premium. See, that is what I'm showing now. See, standard storage account is this one and premium storage account is this one. So when you select here the radio button standard storage account, then you will get all these storage services after the storage account gets deployed. Okay, container storage service you will get, page blob, append blob, block blob, file share storage service you will get, queue storage service you will get, table storage service you will get. All this you will get. And when it comes to premium storage account, then here it is asking you to choose which you want. It is asking you to check, okay, which you want. When you're choosing premium, then it is asking you to, you want only block, then select this one, block. That's it. Rest other storage services you will not get. Append blob you will not get. Page blob you will not get. File share storage service you will not get. Queue storage service you will not get. Table storage service you will not get. You are selecting here exclusively which you want in premium. If you want file share, then select this one. Then only file share storage service you will get inside your storage account after this storage account gets created. Okay. If you say page block, then you will get only page block here. That is the difference between the standard storage account and premium storage account. Okay. In standard storage account, you will get all the storage services by default. In premium storage account, as I'm showing here, you have to choose which one you want, and that one only you will see inside the storage account. Okay. And what is data lake Gen 2 storage account? Data lake Gen 2 storage account is same like a standard storage account only. In data lake Gen 2 storage account also, you will get all the storage services. This storage account is mostly suitable for big data, Hadoop, okay, big data analytics. We can keep here the data, okay, which is in very huge size, very huge the volumes, big data, Hadoop analytics, like this kind of very big size, HDFS systems and all, then that type of data here we can keep it inside the data lake Gen 2 storage services. And data lake Gen 2 storage services or data lake Gen 2 storage account or storage services, whatever, it will give you very quick, very fast performance for retrieving of the data. Retrieving of the data. So most of the times we'll keep our final destination as data lake Gen 2 storage account. And once you load the data inside the data lake Gen 2 storage account, then from here, the data scientists, data science, machine learning, data science. So data scientists, the people who are working as data science will pull the data from this storage account mostly. Okay, this is what the different types of storage accounts, guys. This is what the different types of storage accounts that we are having inside the Azure cloud computing. Okay, so when to create standard storage account, when to create premium storage account, very simple. See, standard storage account will create in our projects when we are not sure what type of data is coming from the client side. Okay, we may get the data in the form of Excel, we may get the data in the form of VM disk, we may get the data in the form of one-liners as part of promotional messages, we may get the data in the form of table, rows and columns. We are not sure. Okay, we are getting the data every time in a variety of different formats, different extensions. Then it's pretty obvious that we'll go for the standard storage account or blob storage account. When we are 100% confident that data is always going to come in one format, in one extension only, then we can go for the premium storage account. But in our projects, most of the times we'll create this blob or standard storage accounts only. Most of the times we'll create this blob and standard storage accounts only. Okay, is that clear, guys? Am I making sense or not? This is the point where you can decide which one you want to create. Either you want to create a standard storage account or premium storage account. And apart from that, you are having solutions architect in your project. You are having solutions architect. They will let you know. They will tell you all these details. They will give you all these details, and then accordingly, as per the details, you have to create the services in Azure cloud computing platform. You have to create the services in the cloud computing platform here in this platform. Now see, guys, creation of storage account. See, this is basic step. You have to fill all these details. All these details you have to fill. I'm going to explain all these options. I'm going to explain all these options one by one in the next class. Okay, when I'm deploying the storage account, all these options is what and all. This all I'll explain, and then we'll create a storage account. Anyhow, it is showing errors now because we are not working on it. So this I'll explain in the next class. Each and every option is what, why we are using, what will happen if we choose. Then I'll create a storage account for all of you guys. Yes. So Lalikuda, the price variation depends upon the volume of data you are uploading inside the storage account. If you are keeping 2 GB files inside your storage account, then you will be getting charged, let us take 500 rupees. If you are keeping 10 GB data, then obviously the prices will get increased. Depends upon your volume of the data, how much you are keeping, accordingly the charges would be there for you. Okay. Is it clear? Lalikuda. Satmika, what is difference between blob versus file share storage service? I believe it is clear now to you, right? I told na, when you are loading in the blob, then the files are accessible to HTTP and HTTPS. And when you are keeping in file share storage service, then the files are accessible to you over shared disk drive. I told na, Satvika, just now I told, right? Sri Linga, what is this question? Difference between standard and data lake when they have same services? No. Data lake Gen2 storage accounts is mostly used for Hadoop big data analytics. Okay, wherein you are having data in you are having data files in jottabytes, not in GBs and TBs. Okay, very large file size. And normally this data lake Gen2 storage accounts will be used by data scientists, machine learning and data science people. Okay. Shalini, what is this question, sir? When you say raw data, is it some kind of raw data pulled from any reporting tool and the data which is not structured? Yeah, the data which is not structured data. The data which is carrying complete information as such. The information is in the form like special characters, numerics, alphabets, completely raw data. You're not understanding what does data is. So that kind of raw data, which is in huge file size, that we keep it here in the file share storage service. Okay, Nikita Anasi, is there a performance difference between standard and premium storage accounts? When should we choose premium over standard storage account? Just now I told Nikita. Just now I told when should we choose premium storage account and when should we choose standard storage account. Have you joined the class very late? Guys who can answer this question, just now I told. The performance point of view is same. Who can answer this question? When to choose standard storage account, when to choose premium storage account? Yeah, Shalini. Shalini is giving me the answer. The type of files we want to store. Yeah, right. So people are responding me. Nikita, I think you are somewhere else. Okay. So Santosh is saying if we know what it is, then premium. Yes, very good, Santosh. Sri Linga has also responded when you want specific, then pick premium. Very good. People are answering in their own style, but that is correct answers. Okay. Guys, please, I sincerely request all of you, please listen to the classes very, very carefully because we started the subject now. We started the actual topics. And remember here, see guys, I'll tell you one thing. Okay. If you really want to learn this technology, then okay, consider your video recordings very, very seriously. Very, very seriously. Very, very seriously. Okay. Your video recordings is going to give you tons of knowledge. See, I understand. I understand. See, when you listen anything for the first time, you will not capture, you will not capture, or you will not grasp it 100%. I know that very well. So for that, what you have to do, you have to listen to the video recordings multiple times. You have to listen to the video recordings multiple times, guys, multiple times. And if you see the video recordings with very keen observation, step by step, line by line, click by click, second by second, then trust me, you can do all the labs. all the labs you can do. You can do all the labs. Okay. No, these documents will not share, Ramesh. We are providing the videos instead. Okay. For this only, we are providing you the video recordings. So all this is getting recorded. Okay. All this is getting recorded. These notes are like oxygens for you. This is like oxygen for you. Everything you will see in the recordings here. When you listen to the recording, video recordings, it will be a revision for you, as well as you will get all this compulsorily in the recordings. All. Shubham, can you please drop the previous video recording classes? Don't waste the time writing all this stuff. No need to put extra efforts. Guys, please, we are okay learning the technology with modern techniques. With modern techniques, we are learning the technologies. 15 years back, when I was at your stage, 15 years back, on that time, we used to write all these key points like idiots. Now, please don't put extra efforts. Everything is getting recorded here, and you will see in the video recordings. Okay. One class video recordings, at least you have to see 3 to 4 times, guys, I'm telling. And you have to practice also. You have to practice also. Yeah, so tomorrow we are not having class. Okay, this weekend we are not having class. Okay, so the point is that, guys, tomorrow we are having classes normally Monday to Saturday. Okay, we are having classes Monday to Saturday, and Sunday depends. Sunday depends. So, but this weekend we are not having class on Saturday. So next class we'll catch it up. We'll catch it up on Monday. Next class we'll catch it up on Monday. Is it fine? Or you guys want a class tomorrow? No, material notes, material I cannot share, Harsha. Once the class get locked, next week, Monday or Tuesday, the moment the link will get changed, on that time I'll share the material. Okay, so okay, most of the people are demanding for the class tomorrow. Tomorrow, most of the people are demanding for the class. No, this will won't share. You will get all this in the recordings, Harsha. This you will get all in the recordings. I'm not going to share this notepad notes. Okay, please get it in the recording. Okay. Okay. So most of the people are asking for the class tomorrow, guys. Okay, we'll go ahead. Then we'll have a class tomorrow then. Okay. So as most of the people are demanding for the class, we'll have a class tomorrow, same time. We'll have a class tomorrow for the same time. Okay. Is that clear? Is that clear? Fine. We'll connect tomorrow. No problem. See, it depends upon you guys. You are the audience. Okay. The show will run as per audience demand. Correct. Correct, na? The show will go as per audience demand. If you guys want it, I'll take it up. No problem. Okay. All right. Fine, guys. Thank you so much. Any questions, anyone? See, guys, all these notes, you will get it in the recordings. Okay. In the recordings, you are going to see each and everything. No need to write anything here, please. Just take the video recordings. You will get everything here. Okay. All right. So anything, any questions, guys? Anyone? Any questions? Shubham, can you please drop the previous classes recording links? Shubham, user in the class. So how was the sessions going on, guys? Is it going good? Is it easy to understand? Because we started the actual subject now. Okay. What about others? Okay, it is crystal clear. Thank you so much. Okay. Yes, that is correct. That is correct. Sai Arvind, this is 100% correct what you have told. I agree with you. Okay, Sandeep, great explanation. Okay, good. Sumant, explanation is very good. Thank you, Sumant. Acha, it is in fantastic way. Okay. Fine, guys. Thank you so much. Okay. Your lovely feedbacks makes me smile here. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. Okay. So, yeah. So we'll stop the class now. We'll connect again tomorrow, same time. Tomorrow is there is a class. Okay. Tomorrow there is a class. Please remember, tomorrow we are having class. We'll connect tomorrow same time. And in tomorrow's class, we'll see the practical implementation of storage account. Practical implementation of storage account. How we can implement that we'll see in tomorrow's class. Please be regular to classes, guys. Okay. Fine. Guys, please get in touch with your admin. Okay, your admin is going to keep you the new link. Okay, I hope every one of you is having the admin contact number, right? This is the admin WhatsApp number. Please take this number. And regarding the video classes recordings, regarding the link of the previous classes recordings, fee payments, procedures, everything, you just WhatsApp on this number. Okay, he'll provide you all the details. He'll provide you all the details. All right, fine. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everyone. Bye. Take care. Yeah, thank you.